In this video, I will be showing you how to install the old Antigravity IDE. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Antigravity. We'll be having the official link antigravity.google. Click here. Here we'll be having the download for Windows option. Select this. So there are two ways how you can get this. First thing, here we'll be having the latest one, which is the 2.0 of Antigravity. If you just scroll down to the end, we'll be having here Antigravity IDE, and here we are having for Mac, Windows and Linux. This is the previous version, okay? So here we can simply click on this download. It will be getting started. Another way is, in case if you want to get some specific version, for that here we are having view previous releases, or under resources we are having releases. So you can click either of these. So I will just go with view previous releases. If you just scroll down, this is the 2.0.1 and this is the 2.0 version. And apart from that, here we are having so many versions which are at version 1. So you can just download any one of these. So if I click it, you can simply download any one of these and install, or else you can simply go and download the one that I did earlier. It is about 218 MB in size. Just open it. We'll be getting the setup. Click on I accept and select next. This is going to be the default location. If you want to change it, click browse and change it. I will just select next. This is fine, next, and you can simply configure over it. So make sure that you're checking everything so that it's easy to open a folder or a file directly with Antigravity. Select next, and these are the stuff that's going to happen. Click on install. Once it is done, make sure that you're checking launch Antigravity IDE and click on finish. We will be getting welcome to Antigravity IDE. Just select continue with Google. It will redirect you to the browser. In the browser, just select the Gmail account of your choice and sign in. After that, we'll be getting success. Just select next and just select the theme of your choice and click on next. And this is a way you can choose how do you want to use the Antigravity IDE agent. So this is basically up to you. I will just go with the recommended one and click on next. This is fine. I will just go with next. I will also go with the default one over here for plugins. Next, and I'll just select next, and that's it. We'll be getting the Antigravity interface like this. We'll be having the chat here. We can simply open a folder and start using it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.